Hello students, I'm Reshma Kamte, your computer teacher. Today we are going to learn Organizing List Part 2. In Part 1, we made our data ready for list creation. In this part, we are going to see how to create ordered and unordered list. So come on, let's start with it.
So for that, you need to select these participants and then you can click on this bullets option. If you see on this triangular sign, okay, you can see different bullet styles. You can choose whatever you like. I'll go with this. Okay. Now children, if you want to add any element in between, you can just press enter and add that object. So what I'll do is, I'll just type here integrity, I'll type here dedication, then let's say team spirit. So you can see children, when I'm pressing enter key, automatically that new element is given with the default bullet. Okay, now if you want to add an item in the beginning of this list, you can just press enter key and let me just add now slept discipline house. Fine. So children, what we will do is we will group these participants under respective houses. Now this is my single list. To elaborate our list, what we will do is we will create a sublist. To create a sublist, you have to make use of your tab key from your keyboard. So I'll press your tab key. Now you can see children, automatically the different bullet style is given to sublist. If again I want to mention here color of the house, what I'll do is I'll click here, give a tab, and I want to move this further. I'll just increase its size. I'll keep here tab. So you can make sure that now this is your main list, this is sublist 1, and this one is your sublist 2. So this is how you can create list and sublist. Now if you do not want this particular bullet style, you can change it also. How you can do it? For that, you need to select this bullet style, click on this triangular sign in front of bullets, then you can click on define new bullet option, then see here, click on symbol, and in this drop down list in front of font, you can just choose wingdings. Children, here they have given n number of symbols which you can add as a bullet. So let me just go with this so that I'll make it as a checkbox. Fine. So this is how you can change your bullet style. Now let's see how we can create numbered or ordered list. Okay, so for that, what we are going to do is we are going to select these participants and then click on this numbering option. This numbering option will give you different numbering formats like numbers, letters, Roman numbers, and the combination of brackets and dots. So I'll go with this. Alright. Now children, what we will do is we'll just group these participants under their respective houses. So I'll just press here enter key. As soon as I press enter, you can see the new element is given C letter and the next Bharat will be given D. So list is auto updating. I'll just give here integrity house. Then let's say dedication. Then here is your, let's say team spirit house. And last is your discipline house. Alright, so this is how you can create your number list. To elaborate your number list, you can create sublist. To create sublist in ordered list, you can again make use of tab key from your keyboard. So for that, I'm going to press tab. The moment you press tab key, the sublist will be given different numbering format. You can see here, the main list is given capital ABCs, whereas sublist is given small ABC. Children, here, if you want to change the pattern or the numbering format of sublist or list, you can just click on that list, and then you can go here on this triangular sign and just choose what you want. Okay, if I want this, I'll select this. Okay, now children, here in the sublist or list, you can set the numbering values as well. So for example, here in this list, if I do not want the list to start automatically at once in each and every house, so what I'll do is I'll set the numbering value in continuation. So if I want Bharat to be given number 3 instead of number 1, what I'll do is I'll right click on this number, then I'll click on set numbering value, and I'll change here instead of 1 to 3. Now you can see children, the moment I change numbering value of Bharat to 3, the next participant is automatically given next number. So quickly I'll change it for Roger also. So instead of 1, I'll give here 5. And then for the next participant as well. Alright, so this is how children, you can create your list, sub-list, you can set numbering values in ordered list. So that's all children. I hope you are comfortable with list creation now. Thank you children.